Life's Guidelines by Umucunguzi Leonard. When the happiness and the sorrow of soul are brimming, it is no time for thinking or blaming, and 'tis neither for leisure nor closure. There is time for composure. In your poverty, stay strong, even in the eyes of rich and stronger throng, such that none can use your poverty to turn you into a tool to be used anyhow. If the last four chords, please cross, yes, it will keep calling. Once, twice, up to X times. But believe me, after X times, it will be ashamed and leave you alive. Fools get old, and rappers get old. Hookers get old, and robbers get old. Killers get old, and liars get old. Boasters get old, and brooders get old. Pay attention to your advisors, even those who are old. And yet, let your breath become love for all. Never hate, dislike instead. And may your excretory organs excrete jealousy, racism, and violence. By this, you will be a real man, and assuredly, you will die hard.